Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's topic is based on personality development. While coming to the certain age, it happens that people starts fearing about personality development and searches tips for it. Everyone has their own qualities and traits which make him or her unique. But still, they tries to improve his or her persona with the source of personality development. If you think that personality means looking good and attractive, then my friend, you are absolutely wrong. Personality is a very broad term, including physical as well as mental state of an individual. No matter where you go, be in an interview or any of your daily routine place, personality plays a very crucial role in determining your success. In simple terms, personality development is an initiative to improve certain traits and the qualities which contributes to your overall personality. No matter what's your age, there is no age limit for the personality improvement. So following are some of the personality development tips. First, it's not about good looks. The personality of an individual is determined by his or her appearance, behavior, attitude, education, values, and some more characteristics. Personality defines who you are and how you respond to the various situations. Second is each person is unique. Each individual is different and has his or her unique characteristics and qualities. Comparing yourselves to others only increases distress. It's important that you channelize your energy towards the positive traits. Be the one in which you are actual and never pretend. Third is learn social skills. Only good looking will never be sufficient to take you forward in your life. Instead, hone some more social skills. The more success one has in the social spheres of life, the better you would feel about yourself. Try to make use of positive gestures while interacting with the others. Make sure about your body languages too. Fourth is do not avoid social interactions. Just because you feel that you aren't having a good personality, you avoid meeting people. Look for the opportunities. Go to the different events. Participate in the social gatherings. And be proactive. Be gregarious. It will definitely help you to develop your personality. Fifth is get out of your comfort zone. Be prepared to challenge yourself by learning new skills. For most of the people, it's a very huge learning curve to start a new business or artwork. So, you must have very open-minded and positive attitude towards your work and embrace any changes you need to make. Sixth is don't fear failure. Don't worry about making mistakes. You will make lots in your journey and a lot of them will hold you back for a while. But once you have made them, these methods can be eliminated and you can move on. Seventh is efforts. This is linked to your daily plan, but it's crucial. Put all your efforts in the work given to you. Eighth is don't give up. It happens that you have done everything right apart from seeing it through the success. And it was just that final of belief that prevented them. So do not give up. Instead, experience it. Experience will make you perfect and it will help you to develop the personality. Next is be calm and fun-loving. No one likes boring and serious people. Everyone enjoys the company of one who are fun-loving. Don't beat around the bush just to make others laugh. Try to add some funny things while having conversation. Others will naturally attract it to you. 10th is accept and recognize your mistakes or weak points. Don't feel shy in accepting your weaknesses. Point it out and try to convert that mistakes or that weaknesses into your strengths. Keep aside your ego and try to recognize your mistakes and weaknesses. It will help you to build up a better personality. So, let's take a glance on some more good personality tips. First is keep your head smart and cool. Don't imitate. Create your own style. Have faith in yourself. Appreciate others for their work. Don't shout and don't get aggressive. Be optimistic and passionate. Don't doubt yourself. Learn to have patience, etc. So, these were the personality development tips which will help you in the future. I hope you enjoyed my video. So please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will be back with the more informative video. Till that, stay tuned. Have a nice day. Thank you.